Hi everybody, you know what time it is? Story time. And let's remember, my super goggles. Much better. The story I've got for you today is a story by Lynley, Dodd. And she's a popular author and has written quite a few in this series. You might remember Harry McCleary from Donaldson's Dairy. That's by Lynley Dodd. And this one is called Slinky Malinki, Early Bird. Hope you enjoy it. Early one morning, when all were asleep, Slinky Malinki decided to creep out of his bed in the shadowy gloom and off on the prowl by the light of the moon. Past the piano and wicker work chair, he silently padded to climb up the stairs. "Wow," he said as he slipped through each door to wake up the family. 1, 2, 3, 4. He purred in their ears. And he pounced on their toes. He bristled his whiskers and tickled each nose. "Pesky old Slinky," the family moaned. "You woke us too early," they grumbled and groaned. "Please leave us in peace for an hour or two." But Slinky Malinki knew just what to do. He bounced like a ball. And he played hide and seek. He sang growly songs, and he smooched every cheek. He tipped over lamps, and he sat on their heads. Until he had pestered them out of their beds. They mumbled and moaned and they stomped down the stairs. They grumbled and groaned as they flopped into chairs. "We wanted some peace for an hour or two." But Slinky Malinki knew just what to do. He patiently waited, then turning instead, Slinky Malinki went straight back to bed. I wonder if you've got a cat like Slinky Malinki at your house. That was Slinky Malinki, Early Bird, written and illustrated by Lynley Dodd. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed reading it to you.